Now, Friendships Day is just around the corner, and I'm sure apart from watching movies, going to the trips and eating together, there are some healthy activity also that you might want to follow with your friend. So here are some do yoga asans which we are telling you. Number 1, supported Sukhasana. Begin in easy cross-legged seated pose facing away from your partner, your backs making full contact with each other. Number 2, facing hero. Begin in hero's pose facing each other, inner thighs touching with your kneecaps touching your partner's kneecap. Lean forward, keeping a straight spine so that you're able to place your hands on the top of each other's thigh, palms open. Number 3, seated twist. Begin in easy pose, facing away from each other so that your backs are pressing into one another. Inhale as you feel your spine grow taller. On an exhale, use your core to twist from the base of your spine to the right. Your partner twist to the right as well. Number 4, double tree. Stand hip to hip next to your partner, approximately 1 apart. Extend your inside arms up straight to the sky, rotating outward from the shoulder sockets so that your palms press into each other. Now, all these postures are great starting pose for any partner yoga practice as it establishes the comfortable physical connection prior to moving into deeper postures. Now, happy Friendships Day, and for more health related videos, keep following the Health Site.